worry. I'll get the door. I've got to run faster. I will make it to the door in time. What do you want? I have some books you can read. I am Commodore Schmidt-Lops. I'm here for a good book. I know you have one because I saw you on that show reading Rainbow. You want a good book? Well, I have good books. I have a whole library full of good books. Come on, take a look. I want activity books. Do you have any? No, you silly ninny. We only like novels here. Long ones. What's this for? That is none of your business, you big fat man. So, you're on a kid show. Hope you don't talk to them like that, you sicko. Do you know what else is sick? That I have a library that contains 40 million books. They're all written by me, LeVar from Reading Rainbow. I'm hungry! Do you have any food? Food? No! Does he know who I am? I am the star of Reading Rainbow. You can't treat me this way. What is... Way! Ah! I cannot pick up the fruit because it's plastic. Here you are, Commodore Schmidt-Lap. Hope you did not eat the plastic fruit. It's not good for you, it's bad. No, choose to ignore that. Commodore, let's talk about your problems. You have many. I have many problems. One of them is I put voices in people's heads. Where are those voices coming from? Commodore, they're in my head. You're making me go insane. Come on! Wanna go camping? Note to self. Kill Commodore while he sleeps. It's all set up! Thank you very much, Commodore! This is LeVar's backyard. This is where he taped the jungle show of Reading Rainbow. It was cool. LeVar! I am your father! No. I want to be your dad! Commodore, you're big white Noki, and I'm slim, black, and attractive. You're no match for me. That's it for me! Dear God, this man is sick. Wake up! Wake up, wake up, wake up! Our camp out was great so far. Let's go for a walk. Oh good! Here we go again! What fun! Commodore, we've been walking for hours. When will this end? Hush, little one! Keep walking! Give me your hand! Commodore, I'm afraid you're scaring me. LeVar! Wanna go rock climbing? Commodore, I'll go with you, in hopes that you will die and plummet to your death. I climb like the wind! Commodore, I think you're climbing too high. Nonsense! I can climb as high as I want! We can camp up here for one! Oh! The Commodore is dead, and I'm so happy. The joy runs through my veins. He's dead, I'm gonna kick him, yeah. LeVar, I'm alright! The trash cans broke my fall. Ah! I'm hungry! Follow me! Why won't the Commodore just die? Here are 2 seats. You take that one. Thank you, but I'll just sit over here. Aaron, I'm coming to take your order. Yay! Commodore, I've heard the raw eggs are very good here. What would you 2 boys like to eat today? I would like 1 glass of raw egg. Psst, Commodore, remember how you like those beef burgers raw with the blood coming out? Oh yeah! And 1 beef burger raw with the blood coming out. And what would you like to eat? You there in the red shirt or whatever you're wearing. I think for today I'll just watch. I'll be right back since none of your food has to be cooked. Ah! Ah! I'm sorry. Today we are all out of food. What do you mean you're all out of food? You're a restaurant. You don't run out of food. LeVar, I'm all bummed out. Let's visit an Aztec temple. Great. The Aztecs always lift my spirits higher. Boys, where are you going? We have beverages. The Aztec temple! How do you like it, LeVar? Great. I love this place. It makes my heart. It feels funny inside. LeVar! Tell me about the skeletons! Commodore, let's try and find a trap door. Why don't you go pull one of the skeleton's legs? Okay! Don't touch that! That's never been done before! Alright! Commodore, I think he's right. You should let him pull the leg. Which one? Whoa! Ah! We got rid of him, LeVar! Yay! Commodore, I'm thinking you should pull that leg too. I will do it out of bravery! You will do it out of stupidity! I did it. I didn't mean to do it, but I just killed the commie. Starting to like the guy. I gotta go after him. I'm ready. Oh! Oh! Commodore, I think I killed this guy. No. Where are you going? I killed him. Oh. Commodore, you just killed our guide. How are we gonna get out of here now, dork? I am from China. I'm way better than you. You are from England. England is so stupid. China has so many more people than you. We could kill you all. Yes, well, I think China's stupid. What is that, the Chinese wall you're standing on? How you're pathetic, and I'm only 9. It's tea time, I gotta go. Okay, fine. We will fight tomorrow then. Same time. LeVar, I'm hungry, and I stink. So why don't we go get some new clothes? Get out of here. Now. Alright! The Commodore is tired. I must crawl. Come on, fat boy. Betty, come on, dork. Are you gonna wait for me, son?